What is competitive analysis? Why knowing your competitors are crucial and affect your branding strategies. Today, I want to talk about a topic that's often overlooked but holds tremendous significance for brand designers and businesses. Understanding your competitors. It's not just about creating beautiful designs. It's about knowing who your competitors are and what they offer. This understanding plays a big role in shaping your brand design strategies and development process. Hi, my name is Rohan Kumar and I'm a brand designer with years of experience in branding industry. I talk about branding, design and sometimes productivity on this channel. If you are new, do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, let's talk about a common misconception about competition. If you are starting a shoe business, then big players like Nike and Adidas may not be your direct competitors. So stop calling them competitors. They serve to a different audience and different segment. Your true competitors are those local brands or businesses that directly influence your target audience and market. I often hear startups saying things like, I want to be the next Apple or my logo should be better than Nike's. It's great to aim high and set lofty goals, but we need to maintain a balance. Instead of obsessing over industry giants, let's focus on understanding your direct competition, learning from their wins and losses, and playing to your strength. That's how you will create a brand that truly connects with your audience. So get pumped but stay grounded. In this video, my goal is to make competitive analysis and action planning an easy and enjoyable process in your branding journey. There are 4 key steps in competitive analysis that we will cover. Number 1, identify your competitors. We will start by identifying the other businesses or brands that operate in your market and directly compete with you. Number 2, identifying key factors. Determine the important factors that set you apart from competition, such as price, product quality, brand design, or brand experience. Number 3, SWOT analysis. If you have a background in marketing, then I'm sure you may have heard this term before. SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Identify your business internal strength and weaknesses as well as external opportunities and threats posed by your competitors. And at very last, number 4, action plan. Based on insight gained from the previous steps, we will develop an action plan to leverage your strength and address weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and minimize threats posed by your competitors. To make things easier for you, I have created a tool that you can download from the link in the description. It's available in various formats like Figma template, Notion template, PDF, and images. Feel free to use it in whichever way suits you best. Let me start sharing my screen and show you how to use this tool. Right now, I am using the Figma template. So when you download it, you will find these 3 sections. 2 are example, and this one is the one for you. You can just fill it out by yourself. All right. In normal scenario, 3 competitor analysis is kind of an ideal number, but if you want to make it more, you can always make more cards by just duplicating them more and more and more. Add as much as you want, but ideal number could be 3, right? Let's understand with this example. For say, if you are a honey business and you want to do the competitive analysis in your early phases, right? And these are completely demo, not a real business, obviously. So I made like sweet bee honey, golden nectar honey, and nature bliss honey. These are the competitor names. In the key factors, as I told you before, factors are basically where you can differentiate yourself from competitors. And mainly in, for say, this product business, this can be price competitiveness, product quality, packaging, variety of flavors, sustainability practice, right? And key factors need to remain same on all your competitors. All right. Now, what are the means of this number? Using these key factors, you can evaluate your SWOT, right? As I said, SWOT is strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats, right? You will see their price competitiveness is basically 4, right? So in the strength area, their strength is competitive price and good quality, because the quality is also like 3, right? This is the sweet bee honey's strength, right? And in opportunities that you have against this business is improve sustainability practice. Why? Because their sustainability practice is almost nothing. Like they are not doing really well at that area. So you have an opportunity when you start your business, you can improve sustainability practices, right? The threats you have is competitive pricing, because their price is really good. Like you mark them like 4 out of 5 means their price is good, right? For say Nature Bliss honey, right? They get number like this 5, 5, 4, 2 and 5, right? And then by this you can get the strength. Strength is like see the number where they talk, like price, competitiveness, quality, sustainability, practice, like this, right? So you can say the premium quality is their strength and strong sustainability practice is kind of their strength, right? Their weakness is basically higher pricing and limited variety of flavors, because if you see in the flavors they have only 2. When you will jump in the business, you are going to introduce more flavors of your honey business, right? So customer can choose you over them, right? Now you will get the opportunities is like enhance your variety of flavors, and then the threats that you have is higher pricing. They have higher price. This is kind of their weakness, but this is kind of your threat too, because you can't charge that much if you don't have that kind of quality. So bar is already set high. Okay, now we know how our 3 competitors are doing, right? Now what are the next steps? So here the same how this SWOT worked in each competitors, you are going to like reflect your action plan according to that. So first of all, leveraging strength. Emphasize the competitive pricing and good quality of your brand. This will be your first step to do. And the weaknesses you find everywhere, like in those competitors, you can improve in yourself. Expand the variety of flavors and invest in sustainability practice. You see, like this Nature Bliss have 2 in the flavors, and this business Sweet Bee Honey has 2 in sustainability practice. So basically they're kind of struggling in that area. So you want to improve this weakness, right? And capitalize on opportunities. Address the opportunity to improve sustainability practice and offer a wider range of flavors, right? These are the opportunities you have, and minimize the threats. So stay competitive in pricing while highlighting the premium quality and unique aspect of your brand. This is how it's done. Super simple. If you are a brand designer or creative team working in this branding area, you can create your own action plan according to your work, right? So key factors will be definitely going to be changed. It's going to be like visual identity and logo design of this brand, packaging and design, brand messaging and communication, and so on. You need to give them the numbers according to that, according to your research or getting insight from focus groups or surveys kind of thing, right? And when you give these marks, you are going to know that their strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats, right? And after that, you are going to make your action plan just like that. That is it for today's video. I hope you found this guide to competitive analysis valuable and tool helpful in your branding journey. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave them in the comments below or reach out to me on Instagram at Rohan Kumar Pro. Remember, by understanding your competitors and strategically positioning yourself, you can create a brand that stands out and connects with your audience. So embrace your enthusiasm, stay grounded, and make your mark in your own unique way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay creative.